Do you ever feel like you're living in the future? Well, you're not alone. With Meta Quest Pro, you can experience the future today. Meta's new Quest Pro headgear represents a move away from VR and toward a new type of mixed reality that incorporates the actual world into your virtual reality experience. The Quest Pro, unveiled at the Meta Connect 2022 conference, aims to go beyond simply immersing you in a virtual environment and instead allows you to interact with the world around you while you're in VR. Whether you're using it to play games, watch movies, or explore new worlds, the Quest Pro is designed to give you the most immersive experience possible. Hey guys, welcome to Krrazzy Tech. Today we'll take a look at the all-new Meta Quest Pro. The video will be amazing, so stick to the end. Before starting the video, smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Meta Quest Pro will be available for purchase from October 25th. It is unquestionably one of the priciest virtual reality and mixed reality headsets on the market, costing $1,499, crossing the $1,399 mark set by the HTC Vive Pro 2. The Meta Quest Pro represents a shift into mixed reality, which combines virtual reality's total immersion with augmented reality's more addictive experience, pioneered by technology like Google Glass. This is made possible by the Quest Pro's full-color mixed reality, which uses cameras on the outside to stimulate your surroundings on display. Meta Quest Pro specs. The Quest Pro is the newest and most advanced model of the Meta Quest series. It features a Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 Plus processor, which is an improvement over the Snapdragon XR2 seen in the Quest 2. This allows for a 50% increase in power and noticeably more excellent performance. The Quest Pro also comes with 256GB of storage and 12GB of RAM, making it perfect for gaming and other VR activities. It features 10 mixed reality and virtual reality sensors, as well as spatial audio for an immersive experience. The Quest Pro's battery life is unfortunately quite short. It can only last for 1 or 2 hours on a single battery, but this can be extended by using the 2-meter charging cable included in the box. The Quest Pro also comes with a 45-watt fast charging dock that can charge the headset in just 2 hours. Meta Quest Pro design. The Quest Pro has a luxurious design and top-notch counterbalanced ergonomics. It is significantly heavier than the Quest 2 or Pico 4. The good news is that Meta seems to be making the most of the small area on the Quest Pro. Wi-Fi 6E connectivity, which can deliver up to 1.6 GB per second in just half the space, is made possible by a smaller Wi-Fi antenna. These new antennae, according to Meta, will enable entirely untethered virtual reality on your PC. Meta can also make the most of the Quest Pro's area thanks to pancake optics. Pancake optics debut on the Pico 4 headset, and the Quest Pro has long been rumored to use them. The Meta Quest 2 only required 60% of the space needed for the Quest Pro, which had two 1800 by 1920 pixel monitors. It offers a 37% increase in pixels per inch and a 10% increase in pixels per degree compared to the Quest 2, even though this is not a minimal charge. The Quest Pro display has a maximum refresh rate of 90 Hz, which is noticeably slower than the Quest 2's maximum refresh rate of 120 Hz. Voice presence in virtual reality is also improved in the Quest Pro. Its 3-microphone array is anticipated to offer noise cancellation that is nearly 20% better than the Quest 2's 2-microphone array. Due to this, the Quest Pro might be a superior option to its predecessors for virtual reality meetings. The Quest Pro's usage of light filters promises adjustable levels of immersion. When using the headset, the device permits some light to flow through and opens the peripheral vision. Controllers. The new Meta Quest Pro controllers feel more like an extension of your hands than ever before, with improved haptic feedback and a full 360-degree range of motion. Whether you're using virtual or mixed reality, these controllers can take your experience to the next level. But that's not all. The Quest Pro also comes with a stylus tip, perfect for sketching and whiteboarding. So if you're looking for a productivity-enhancing tool, the Quest Pro is definitely worth a look. With Quest Pro's eye tracking and natural facial expressions, your avatar will imitate your actual facial expressions and eye contact, making your experience more realistic and engaging. Outlook. If you're upgrading from the Quest 2, you will have access to all the Quest 2 games and applications in the Quest Pro because of the backward compatibility. The Meta Quest Pro has a lot of cool features that a tech nerd would want to buy, but the $1,500 price might not be justified. Until the rumor Meta Quest 3 is out, possibly next year, the Quest 2 is definitely the best gadget for you, unless you want the mixed reality features of the Quest Pro. What do you think about the new Meta Quest Pro? Would you want to buy one? We're really excited about the new Meta Quest Pro, and we hope you are too. If you're thinking of buying one, let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. We'll see you in the next video. Bye!